Need to present slides, documents, or your screen during a Google Meet. Whether you're giving a business presentation, teaching an online class, or sharing ideas with your team, Google Meet makes presenting simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to present on Google Meet in 2026. So let's get started. First, join an existing Google Meet or start your own meeting. Before presenting, open any slides, documents, websites, or applications you plan to share. Having everything ready before you begin helps your presentation run much more smoothly. Next, click the Present Now button or screen share located at the bottom of the meeting window. Google Meet will display several presentation options. You can choose exactly what you want participants to see. Select whether you'd like to present your entire screen, a specific application window, or a browser tab. Choose the option that best fits your presentation. Presenting a single window helps keep other applications and notifications private. Select the screen, window, or browser tab you want to share, then click Share. Your presentation will immediately become visible to everyone in the meeting. Take a quick look at the meeting window to confirm that participants can see your presentation. Remember to speak clearly and pause occasionally to give everyone time to follow along. When you've finished, click Stop Presenting to end screen sharing. The meeting will continue normally, and everyone will return to the standard meeting view. So you've successfully presented in Google Meet, and that's how to present on Google Meet. Whether you're sharing slides, demonstrating software, or leading a meeting, the presentation tools make it easy to communicate with your audience. Choosing the right sharing option and preparing your materials ahead of time can make your presentation even more effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.